C2 live streaming app. It has more than 1 million downloads. I actually installed it. I'll have actually shown you my screen of the app, but there are actually people all over in the app. So I know it will be kind of showing private people who don't want to be in the video. The reason why I did this review of this app is I find this app actually less toxic, okay, compared to others. It's not like it's safe, but it's kind of less toxic to other live streaming apps. And if you kind of trying to see an app that you can really go live and meet friends, I think you can try to check out this app. You can go live for free in this app. Okay, you can go live with this app. You can meet friends and all that stuff. Okay, people can try to give you gifts the way you see in like in TikTok. Okay, and I tried to go on it, and I think right away I was streaming with someone in I think in US, and it was just a cool dude. Okay, sorry, it was a cool girl who was just streaming his stuff. And what I can say, if you really need real people, real moments, you can try out this app. Okay. Just know like these are people. Everyone you can find him doing his own stuff, but at least there's some apps that I installed and installed right away from what I saw. But C2 Live, you can try to connect with real friends. Okay, the people are real, and for some reason I find them a bit kind compared to other apps. Okay, so let me know what you think about C2 Live, and I'll see you in the next video.